2019 Ilocos Norte Medical Mission was conceived based on the need and request from the area in Ilocos Norte, and also in collaboration with Northern Luzon Medical Mission through the leadership of Pastor Marvin Diaz. The planning of this mission started in June 2018 with Danny Ranchez, myself, and Pastor Vic Arreola. We put this plan together based on the model that Jesus had left. It can be read in Matthew 9:35 when he went out to the village and cities spreading the gospel, healing the sick, not only with physical health, but including their spiritual health. And this was the reason why we had put this medical mission together, with the purpose of fulfilling this mission in reaching out the people needing spiritual, physical, and not only spiritual and physical, but also mental healing.
Naimbangkal daw yung amin kagayem. At kami tata dito ay Barangay 25, dito ay Siyudad Laoag. At dada dito ay nagiti medical team nga po di Los Angeles. Ijay Mamsi, kastamat di Cagayan Valley, ken kadagiti dadumapayng medical professionals kagagayem. Iti Seventh-day Adventist Church nga iso sponsoran ti Northern Luzon Mission, kastamat iti Asia Pacific Ministries ti North American Division, ken kastamat dagiti dadumapayng iglesia asaklawen ti Adventista del Septimo dia California. At dada dito dagiti the doktor, nurses, ken medical professionals at datatang mang tartaripatu kadagiti adong kagayem ken kakabsat nga agapo kadagiti agkaka adayu ken kakasideg nga luglugar. So nga ikarkararag tayo kakabsat na balegi at sangaribong tattao nga datata ditoy ken nasursurok pay. We would like to thank all of you for supporting the 2019 Ilocos Norte Medical Mission. Mararami ditoy Siyudad Laoag, dito'y Barangay 25. Agyaman tayo launay ti awis ni Apo Marvin Diaz, Presidente ti Northern Luzon Mission. Kastamet kadagiti kakabsat nga mga ipang Pangulo ti gobyerno iti probinsya ni Apo Gobernador Amy Marcos. Ken kastamet iti Siyudad Laoag ni Mayor Shervel Parinias. Iso kakabsat, adu dagiti tattao nga matulungan ket daytoy ti maysalaeng nga mga ipagpakita nga ti trabaho ti panagministro dagiti Seventh-day Adventist dito'y lubong saklawen na ti amin na luglugar, including dito'y Siyudad Laoag. Daytoy ni Dr. Vic Arreola, siya ti evangelistang mga ipokpokaw ti damag ti tunggal rabii Laoag City Seventh-day Adventist Church. Ket sapay kumata makita na kami ken manggaganda kami through Facebook ti Northern Luzon Mission, ken dagiti dadumapay nga pakakitaan nyo ti dati programa. Naimbangkal daw yu kay tagyaman kami ti panay karkararag yu. Dandanin nasurok asang ribo nga tattao tada ditoy. Kay tagyaman kami ta iti awis invitasyon iti publiko nakaskas daw ta uray pwede iti adu nga luglugar imay da ditoy. Nasapa na pay laing tatay, aw pala ti init apo. Kaya tagururay dan na agpaagas. Iso nga karkararag tayo, iti trabaho ni Apo Diyos, paset na dayta iti right arm of the message is the medical and health portion of our work. Thank you very much. Kaya sapay kuma, taumay kayo nurabi, denggan na kami when buya kayo ti Facebook, ti Our Great Hope today, amararami di Laoag City Seventh-day Adventist Church. Thank you and adios. Diyos unay tagina.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Narito po tayo sa Barangay 25, Santa Cayetana, Laoag City, Barangay Hall kung saan nagaganap po ang malawakang medical mission. Ito po ay civic beauty at talagang nakakatuwa pong pagmasdan. Ang mga tao ay nakangiti. Subalit, bago natin malaman kung ano ang kadahilan at meron po tayo nito, napakaganda at kasama po natin dito ang sing-irog mag-asawa, si Sir Danny at si Ma'am Ruth Ranchez. Magandang araw po sa inyo.
Magandang araw po. Okay. Ang pangalan ko po ay Danny Ranchez. Ako isang sa mga coordinator dito sa medical mission. Ito naman ang misis ko.
Ako ho, Ruth Ranchez, supporter ng coordinator.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sa inyo pong mga ngiti ay talagang nakaka-inspire. Ano po? Ang tanong ko po ay, bakit po tayo merong medical mission? Para saan po ito at paano po ito ipinaglihi ang program na ito?
Noong the year 2017, nagbakasyon kami itong mag-asawa at nakita ko ng nangangailangan ng mga tao ng medical programs. Ang daming mga sakit nakikita ko like diabetes and hypertension. Ngayon, palagi kaming nagme-medical mission sa South. Wala akong nakikitang magme-medical mission dito sa North. Sabi ko, maybe it is a good idea to conduct one medical mission here in Ilocos Norte kasi ako'y napanganak dito. Oh.
Ako ho naman, talagang gusto ko ang medical mission. I've been doing this for 10 years. Sa Philippines palagi pero nagpunta pa ng Cuba at saka Africa. At talaga hong we saw the need of the people. We just don't know how fortunate we are to be of service. I got more blessings from the people I serve than what I have.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Nakakatuwa po na ganyan po yung inyong mga motibo sa ginagawa po nating medical mission dito.
Ang mga challenges nung nagsimula kami is just getting together because Pastor Arreola lives in Washington. We can hardly get hold of him. And then he comes to California because he's also the coordinator for Asian Ministries. Edna Domingo lives in Loma Linda and we live in Los Angeles. So it was a lot of traveling back and forth that we are doing. So when we started the program, nagsulat po ako kay Pastor Diaz kasi we want to inform everybody else that is close to Laoag. We decided that we are going to do it in Laoag. And so since there are a lot of Adventist churches surrounding Laoag City, like Bacara, San Nicolas, Bintar, Sarat, so we thought we are going to do it right here.
Right.
Okay. Di nagsulat kami sa mga gobernador, Gobernador Aimee. Nagsulat din ako sa Chief Executive Officer sa Provincial Hospital, sa Laoag Hospital. Ang dami kong sinulatan.
Hindi namin alam kung anong masasakop namin dito. Marami lahat ho sila ay masaya ho sila. Wala ho kami masasabi hindi, but it's been a very challenging. Lalo na ho sa mga supplies, anong kailangan nyo, gano'n. Ho. Pero the Lord is good. He's been providing every needs of us. At saka ang hingiling ko, matanda na ho kami, good health. Good health lang ho para matuloy kami rito.
Talagang nakita po natin yung participation, hindi lamang po ng church, hindi lang nagsimula po sa inyo na i-coordinate sa ating mission sa church, tapos sa probinsya. How was the first day of our medical mission?
Nako, napakaraming tao, hindi pa kami nakakarating. Andito na sila, nag-iintay. But they really wait patiently. And we serve everybody till the end. Kahit na mag-overtime kami. Ako nga hindi na nag-lunch break. At naaawa ako dun sa mga nag-iintay. Kaya binaltimes ko sila, nag-lunch break sila, pinaupo ko sila para pagdating nila, palagi na lang nilang ituloy ang aming trabaho.
Talagang kayo po ay tinuturing ding isang bayani sa inyong pong puso, sapagat gusto niyo pong maglingkod. Ngayon po ay marami na pong napag-servan. Siguro po, alam po ba natin kung ilan na po ang na-serve natin? Ilan na po?
645 po yesterday. I don't know today, kaya hindi pa nabibilang. At the end of the day, we'll let you know. Pero madami ho talagang nangangailangan ng salamin. Salamin, ang dami na ho namin dala. Pero nangangalahati na ho kami hanggang Biyernes pa. We may have to get some more, but karamihan mga glasses nga. Kaya pag binigyan namin ng glasses, nakakabasa na, Tatang, magbabasa kayo ng Biblia. Pag may glasses na kayo, makakakita na kayo. Or topiko, mag-aral kayo ng inyong leksyon. Okay naman, Yun lang aking mensahe sa kanila pag nagustuhan yung mga glasses.
Napakaganda, po, napaka-organized, may registration tayo, may medical check-up, may surgery, merong optal, may dental, at talagang nakakatuwa. Alam niyo po kung anong na-appreciate ko dito? Sapagkat doon po sa dulo ay merong counseling and prayer. At nakakatuwa po na ginagawa po natin lahat ito para sa Panginoon. Bago po natin i-close itong ating interview, ano po ang masasabi nyo sa mga taong kaya naman nilang gawin ito at hindi pa nila nasubukan? Ano pong masasabi nyo po sa mga taong gustong sumuport at hindi nila alam kung paano?
Ang gusto ko lang sabihin, noong in-start ko ito, ang daming mga challenges. You have to completely be dependent with the Lord. I mean, everything the Lord paved the way because I didn't even know that it's going to be smooth like this, but I have a lot of nice people that join our group, like the Olandais, like Dr. Nida. I cannot name all of them, but they were there to support me. Now, nagpunta pa ito Department of Health, itata. Duwang nurses nga nagkaput from the Department of Health. May dakinita dito They were so much impressed. I showed them the dental office. I showed them our medication because sometimes they worry about outdated medications that people coming for medical mission. Pinituran da kita date of expiration ng mga medication namin. Pinakita ko pa yung ada kupukpukis, ada pa yung katiherdang. Why? We have a lifestyle program. Nagustuhan that you guys have a very holistic program, kunada. You take care of both the physical, emotional, and spiritual. Akit deta naayatan nakmud at nakita da no anyat aramid ti sa Batista dito'y Laoag. Yes.
How about Ma'am Ruth?
Kami naman one of the challenges too is financial. We did fundraising. We wrote to all our friends, mga 50 friends yan, asking for donors. At saka itong aming mga participants, volunteer participants, talagang mga generous sila. We set a fee and they all paid. They even paid more than that. But I know everyone needs our daily prayers. And there's still a lot of work to be done here on earth. Totoo ho yan, talagang hindi pa tapos. Kasi nandito tayo sa lupa at wala tayo sa langit. Kaya ang medical mission hindi namin ito tatapusin till the Lord comes. Salamat.
Maraming salamat po. Mga kaibigan, nasaan man po kayo ngayon, hindi man kayo nakarating dito sa Laoag City, tandaan nyo po na ang pagkakawang gawa, ang pagtulong sa kapwa, ay hindi lamang po sa medical mission. Marami po kayong kaparaanan. Subalit, kung ang puso nyo ay nasa medical mission, welcome po kayo para mag-provide financially, physically, ang inyong mga talent ay gamitin po natin upang magbigay tayo ng kalinga sa iba. Muli, ako po si Pastor Rosler Zamora, nag-uulat mula dito sa Advent Ministry ng Northern Luzon Mission together with Sir Danny Ranchez and Ma'am Ruth Ranchez. Maraming salamat po. Sa Barangay 25, Santa Cayetana, Laoag City, kung saan nagaganap ang malawakang medical mission sa pangunguna po ng California Medical Group with partnership po ni Pastor Arreola, Sir Ranchez at ng Northern Luzon Mission, together of course with the government of Laoag City. Kasama po natin ngayon upang atin pong interviewin, we have Ma'am Luz Olanday. Ma'am?
Hi, hello, good morning sa mga mamamayan ng Laoag. Napakaganda po ng inyong lugar, very clean. At saka magandang inyong environment.
Ano po ang mga kakaibang karanasan nyo samantalang narito po kayo?
Okay, basta ang feeling ko, it's very rewarding kasi yung mga tao maganda ang kanilang response. Parang nabibigyan namin sila ng kaunting kaligayahan kahit papaano. Dahil namimit namin, hindi nga lang yung kanilang physical, we have time to talk with them. They can express their concerns. We give them health teachings kasi maraming mga hypertensive. Kaya yung tungkol sa pagkain, binibigyan namin sila ng mga advice. Believing as Seventh-day Adventist that medical mission is the opening words for proclaiming the message to the world, we were more than willing to join. Hopefully, itong aming medical mission maka-inspire sa mga ibang grupo na gustong mag-medical mission din na kaya nila na magawa basta meron lang cooperation, dedication, and a lot of prayer, of course.
Maraming salamat po. Nakakatuwa na inyo pong nastunghayan ang mga pangyayari po dito sa Barangay 25 Laoag City. Ako po ang inyong kaibigan, Rosler Zamora, nag-uulat kasama si Ma'am Luz Ulanday.
Hi, I'm Denise Poblete. I'm a nurse in the States, and I was working at the medical surgical unit focusing on telemetry in Northern California. I decided to go on this mission trip because I wanted to, one, experience, and two, focus more on education, because I noticed that a lot of the reason why people go to the hospital is because of a lack of knowledge and a lack of education. What I have noticed here, I've been doing a lot of the vital signs, and I've noticed that from my observation, a lot of the people here in Laoag have very high blood pressures. And so from my observation, it's necessary that they receive education on maintaining their high blood pressure as through proper food intake and through exercising as well. So that's a lot of what I've been noticing with them. But I think we have a great team here. They've been providing a lot of education on what they can do, such as lowering their salt intake, because a lot of Filipinos eat salt. There's a lot of salt in our foods, and taking your medications properly, not stopping and taking it as prescribed by the doctors. So that's what I've observed this whole week, and I think it's been pretty awesome to see how we can all communicate, even though it's very hard for me to communicate because of the language barrier. I don't really speak Tagalog or Ilocano, so it's been good to have a lot of people translate for me as well, and yeah.
Maganda po ang dulot nito sa mga mamamayan na nandito sa komunidad ng Laoag City. At nakatulong po ito ng husto sa mga tao.
My name is Elsa Alcaide. I used to work at Loma Linda University as an operating room nurse, but I am retired now. So I do only this experiences that we travel from one place to the other. We have been to so many places in doing this experience, which is very good because you can see different kinds of people and different complaints, and we have a very good result of our experience that we do every day. And we thank God that God has been very good to us, helping us and keeping us healthy and strong. And I pray that the Lord will bless the people that we have seen, and every time we took to the patient, that we check their blood pressure and anything that we check, and we thank God for the experience that we have. Thank you very much.
I'm my friend Domingo. We live in Loma Linda, California, and I'm very happy for this opportunity of joining the medical missions. For the past 3 years, it's a blessing not only to those people whom we serve, especially I am with the optical department, of which I had been joining for the past 3 years. And this wonderful opportunity to meet especially those people who are in dire need of reading glasses. Now for the last one that we had in Laoag City, we brought 1,000 glasses, but the ranges from 1.25 to 275, because those grades are the most number of glasses that we distributed that is more or less compatible to what these people need. On the upper grade grades like 300 and above, seldom we give those, because it depends upon the condition of those elderly people. But I am very impressed on the last one we have this in Laoag City, that the long lines of people that had been served is tremendous, because 3 of us like Orly, Ludovico, and our other member of the optical department, Manuel Olanday. And you notice that the long lines of people that we serve is really tremendous. We told them that you have to take care of this, because the legacy that we have given to you will last a couple of years once you really take care of it. We want you to take care of it. When we give something, we totally give the best, because that's the purpose of our giving the best that we have for the benefit of our people who are really in dire need in each medical mission. And so I'm very thankful that when they make use of it, they can read their Bibles, and they will be given the opportunity to know more about the love of Jesus. And that's the purpose of our attending, and it's not only us that are benefited spiritually, physically, but to those people whom we serve as well. Thank you for this opportunity, and hopefully in another medical mission near future, we are still strong. We dedicate our lives to do this, because we know the Lord is coming soon, and we know that if we give our best, it will be not only us benefited, but to other people as well. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Willie Tortal. I'm from Canada. I'm in Toronto, Canada. And first I was hesitant to come here, not because I want to escape winter, but because I want to observe how the medical mission is being conducted, and the results that come from this endeavor. I want to observe how enthusiastic the participants are, and my participation here is simply very simple, in that maybe it's like a clerk, and I noticed that the dedication that the participants have in order to pursue in response to what God or Jesus had been doing in his healing ministry. And precisely this is what the scripture is saying about us as Christians in order to reach out to those who are ill, to those who are seriously depleted in their spiritual life. And most likely, this is what makes it different from other medical missions, in that the whole person is being reached out in order to make them prepare for eventualities in the near future. My observation is that the participants who come from different places in the U.S. is could be described as dedication and commitment, and this is what Jesus did in healing the sick, but in different ways. We have doctors, we have physicians, and all kinds of medical professional to participate in. So, in short, I don't know whether I should come back, but definitely it's a thing that needs to be subscribed by Christians, especially Seventh-day Adventist Christians. And I think that this has been going on for a long time, and this is my first time to participate in this endeavor. And hopefully I will reflect on it and enjoy it. As of now, I'm enjoying the camaraderie, the relationship between participants and the patients themselves, which is crucial in the healing process. Yeah, I have no question, I have no doubts that it will reach out the persons or the sick, hopefully that they get healed from their physical illness, challenges, and also that since we are separated from God, that we will be drawn back to Him. This is the foremost purpose of medical mission anyway. With this program, we expect to draw them closer to Jesus and accept Him as their personal Savior.
Narito pa rin po tayo sa Barangay 25, Santa Cayetana, Laoag City, Ilocos Norte, kung saan nagaganap ang malakihang medical mission. At kasama po natin ngayon ang isa sa mga pasyente na nagpa-check up at talagang natutuwang narito po siya, si Tatay Benjamin Calderon. Tatang, taga saan po kayo?
Taga Batak City, sir.
Paano nyo po nalaman na meron po tayo ditong medical mission?
Meron kaming kamag-anak dito sa Laoag. Nagtanong daw kahapon kung pwedeng kami, kahit malayo kami, sabi nila daw pwede, kaya pumunta kami po.
So ano po ang inyong ipapacheck up? Ano po ang inyong inaasahan sa medical mission na ito?
Sanglas, sir, at saka yung mental, magpabunot.
Magpapabunot po si tatay. So ano po ang inyo namang naramdaman dito? Kayo po ba'y kinakabahan? Kayo po ay bubunutan ng ngipin? Okay lang po ba kayo?
Okay po.
Okay, sapagkat si tatay ay nagtitiwala sa mga nariritong mga doctors at higit sa lahat sa Panginoon na magpapagaling sa kanya. Muli, ako po ang inyong lingkod, Rosler Zamora, at kasama ko si Tatang Benjamin Calderon.
Ako po si Victor P. Flores Jr., Barangay Chairman ng Barangay 25, Santa Cayetana, Laoag City. Lubos po ako magpapasalamat, hindi lang ako, lahat ng mga official ko ng barangay, from me down to appointed. Napasalamat kami sa sponsors ng Seventh-day Adventist, dahil sa dito sa barangay namin dito nangyari yung medical mission, dental, optical, pati massage pala libre, pati gupit. At marami pong natutulungan na hindi lang dito sa barangay namin, At hindi rin lang sa lahat ng membro ng Seventh-day Adventist, kundi lahat yata ng Ilocos Norte, probinsya ng Ilocos Norte, meron pa sa Apayao. Nakarating dahil nalaman nila na may libreng medical, dental mission ng Seventh Adventist. Daloy ng yung by stages kami may registration, then vital signs, may counseling pa, yun ang maganda. Nakuha ka ng natapos yung dental, medical, may counseling ka. Ayun maganda. Binibigyan ka pa ng mga pamphlet na babasahin na tungkol sa about God. Hindi lang kasi sa medicine Dapat binibigyan din ng medicine sa puso at isipan, sa spiritual talaga. Masaya. Sobrang saya. Alam nyo kasi, nung nag-off ako bilang ama ng barangay, talagang inaalay ko na yung sarili ko sa barangay ko, sa mga kabarangayan natin, na lahat sana, kung meron lang, lahat ng nangangailangan, may itutulong natin. Bilang isang pinuno ng barangay, kasi assume na talaga ako ang ama ng barangay. Papasalamat ako ulit, sir, sa ganitong nangyari dito sa barangay ko, barangay natin. Inoobserban ko lahat, marami inoobserban. May may registration, tapos maraming stages, maayos naman, maganda. At saka daloy ng kahit gaano karami ang pasyente, malinis pa rin. At saka disiplinado lahat ng mga tao. Basta mabiting kasi mga official, tsaka yung mga sponsors ng membro ng mga Seventh-day Adventist. Maraming salamat po.
We believe that medical mission, the medical ministry, is the right hand of the gospel ministry. And we introduce the gospel through healing and praying to the brethren and to those who come to the medical mission as the beginning of them knowing the love of Jesus. The medical mission reached about more or less 3,000 people. And it was conducted in a barangay that was chosen where the medical mission would be held with the partnership of the government officials in that particular barangay. We were very thankful that they participated, and while they watched us deal with the patients, touch our patients, pray for the patients, they had appreciated the mission that we had done there. And we are praying for them that with the observations that they had made, they have seen Jesus in us. We believe that the outcome was a success, and that the mission, Northern Luzon Medical Mission, has a work to do to follow up on those people who came that we had served with visitation, with prayer, with family outreach, and also Bible study. I would encourage each of us to be praying for all missions that are being done around the world and globally, that people will be prepared for Jesus' soon return. Thank you.